So coming to few other tasks with shell scripting, we have seen how to do scripts on changing permissions. So let's quickly get into know how to connect remote host and know that whether it's up or not. So for that I have a program check remote host for its availability. So what I do here is I'm getting an IP address and I'm checking whether the ping is enabled with the IP or not. So what I does here is I ping what I'm going to ping here. I'm going to ping a Docker image IP. Okay. So 172.17.0.1 which is up and running with my instances. Okay. Now I'm going to check the same thing here. I'm getting 172.17.0.1. When I hit the host is up and succeeded. Similarly, I'm actually doing here. What I'm doing here is I'm checking with my whole local host. Paste. The host is up. In case I'm just giving here some false information like gateway IP which is expected to be 101, it will be up. No, it's not. So I will get to know whether it's using the gateway through giving a random IP. So it should be 101 or can be, yeah, it's none of this or my gateway. Through this, you can validate the IP connectivity. And even for ports, to check ports, test, test, test remote port open or not .sh. I'm going to copy here. I'm going to paste it here. Bash test remote bash test. I'm going to hit an IP 192.168.1. Port number 80 will be up and succeeded. No roost. Okay. So I wanted to use the right IP here 1.7 and 80 it will be open. It's open. So this how we can also check the ports. So we generally use nmap command to do this. like scanning the open ports. You can also achieve the same thing with help of scripting itself through a command called nc. When you do man nc, you'll get to know what it is. So it's actually listens at the TCP and UDP connections. It is equivalent to netcat. It's a utility used to just about anything under this operating system involving TCP, UDP, and Unix domain sockets. So whenever you want to scan any TCP and UDP, you can scan this ports.